Hi, welcome to a new uploaded video. This video is the 24th part of the video series Interior Design Ideas, and the topic is the latest kitchen trends for this year. So watch the video and make the most of your own kitchen with these fabulous design ideas from our video. Here you will find more than 50 amazing new design ideas for a modern and stylish kitchen. They are spacious, elegant and functional. Nowadays, kitchens are complex living spaces, having more and diverse functions such as cooking, socializing, dining, etc. This short video is trying to demonstrate the versatility and contemporary kitchen and the way modern design ideas adapt and conquer the most demanding living spaces. Here it is a modern kitchen with grey cabinets and large kitchen island with white breakfast chairs. Nice black and white pictures decorate this amazing place. L-shaped white kitchen with quarter circle kitchen island and 3 charming bar chairs. White and bright kitchen. Notice the gorgeous combination of white and natural wood color. Large U-shaped kitchen design with a nautical style look. Elegant kitchen design in beige and white with lime color accent. Absolutely beautiful kitchen design. Notice the 3D white backsplash. ultimate kitchen design with gorgeous kitchen island and wooden flooring throughout. White kitchen, high quality appliances, large island, granite countertop, beautiful pendant lamps, and ghost breakfast chairs. Superb U-shaped kitchen design in beige and white. Modern one-wall white kitchen with breakfast place. Another gorgeous kitchen design in green and grey hues. Beautiful modern one-wall kitchen design with long kitchen island in front of it. Bicolor kitchen design in dark grey and white color combination. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Bye bye.